Pizza Gratta to me was always my family's restaurant, you know. It was more so a place where we just cooked with Mom. And we cooked with Mom with love like she always has for everybody.
We came to the idea of natural sourdough one night. Wendy was actually making bread at home and forgot to add the yeast. We actually came across the sourdough concept then, and she kind of pursued that a little further and made pizza dough one evening, and the pizza that she created was absolutely amazing. The community meant a lot to Wendy here at Silver Star. When she was up here, one of her goals was to make sure that the children, the kids, were always going to get something good to eat, was number one. And then two, if they were a little bit short, $1 or $2 here or there, no child went away hungry. So the quality of ingredients is definitely core to our business, and that was part of Wendy's vision. She really believed in that food being real food, being of great value to people and great value as far as health goes.
I think the lesson my mom really taught me was just one of strength. She was a hard worker, but she never saw it as work. She loved it. Every moment in your life, as short as our lives are, should be filled with quality moments. Instead of just going through the motions and trying to get through things, enjoy it. Enjoy the ride.